Okay, so let's kick off the class. Starting in the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent, the omnipotent, the omniscient, and the omnipresent who created me, you, and the whole universe. Before starting the class, I would like to read some conversation if you don't. That would be perfect for our class. Come on, hurry up. Arjan?
Yes.
Arjan?
Yes.
Are everyone
Yes.
feeling well?
Yes.
Feeling well?
Yes.
Feeling fine?
Yes.
Feeling fine?
Yes.
Safe and sound?
Yes.
Yes, fascinating, everyone fine. Tell me what the weather, how is the weather today? The weather is nice. How is the weather today, Abdullah?
It is normal.
The weather is normal. Do you like this weather? What do you like this weather? Yes. Do you like this weather? Oh, why do you like this weather? Yes, come in. You can sit here. Here are your books. Sit down. Okay, just tell me, how do you enjoy this kind of weather? How do you enjoy this kind of weather?
I
Okay, just
I
tell me
will do-
straightforward. What do you want to do a special thing in this weather?
we will do hunting. We will do hunting.
Okay, good job. Nice. It was really nice. So good. Yes, Muzammil, tell me how are you? I'm good. Tell me what the chat, what date is today? Today is October 7, 2000. What day is today?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Tues.
Bye.
Okay, so do you have any kind of notice or news? Anyone? Fresh news? Mustafa? Fresh news? No news? Okay, tell me what you did from morning up to now. Sahana is supposed to show us. Sometimes students are asked the results of Shabbos. Come on, just in English. Hurry up. Okay, I'll listen it later. Next one. Aisha, fresh news. Fresh news. Fresh news. Yes, Safia. Oh, take us to watch. There's no fresh news. Okay. Okay. Yes, I should. Really? Did you cook it? Outside, how was it test?
I will cook it.
Yes, you will go. Oh, nice. When you will go? Are you a hunter? Good job. Was he nice? So best. Next one. Antoine, fresh news. You might love fresh news. Oh, take a stretch. Passed away. What was the reason? Just not in English. Okay. Because of both lost. Really? He was army. He was in army then. He was a soldier. Yes. He passed away. Who was he? Who was he? What was he to you? Ask you. What was he to you? He was our relatives. Outstanding. Thank you so much. Yes, come inside. What did you commit? What did you commit? You don't know about it? Okay, next time try to promote that. Good job, you can sit. Next, Mariam. Fresh news. far. Good job. It was really nice. I think so you really enjoy reading part here. Okay, good. Next one. Then about good. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. It was really nice. Very best. Good job. It was really nice. I really appreciate you. Okay, students. Yes, Karim. Yes, Karim. Walaikum assalam. That's it. You look like a broom. Sajjad Karim. Good job. Karim, you can sit here. This lesson is perfect. Okay, just sit down. It's alright. Be seated. Be seated. Okay, students. Do you remember what we had teach last time? Yes, guys, a question is done. Error. Next one. Okay, students, open your notebook. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. Okay, it's alright. This will be. You have to use it twice. 2 plus adjective. 2 plus adjective. Okay, and here 2 is an adverb. 2 is an adverb. 2 means more than enough. 2 means more than enough. Two means more than enough. Sure. Two means more than enough. Okay, why do you use it? It is used to show. It is used to show. It is used to show when there's something is more than enough. Is more than and it creates problem. And creates problem. There was a person who was sitting here. Which one? A fairy one? A Padawan? Or next? That's a good. Really? Okay, it is used to show that something is more than enough and creates a problem. For example, the weather is too hot. Hurry up. Hurry up. Next one. It is too expensive. It is too expensive. Come in. Mansoor, getting here? Yes, Kelly? Usman, do you have a book, vocabulary, notebook? You forget at home? Try not to forget it, okay? What are these for? You have to study it, understand? The word is too much, it is too expensive. It is too expensive. We can that is just gone there. It is too expensive. Okay. Next is no. Listen to sir. Cancer चिकना अब problem न जोड़े. Understand ना? 10 नंबर इसका कुछ इस्तेमाल अब हम किसी एक problem जोड़े मसला जोड़ेगा. So handsome तो सब मसला नहीं जोड़ेगा. Understand? For instance, if we say he is too black, अगर this is told, अब क्या मसला क्या है? Too bad. He is too bad. Yes, you can say. Okay, yes, sorry, fine. Next of Syria, 2 plus adjective plus, we can also use infinitive after it. You know what infinitive of this one? Infinitive is like Abdullah. Good job. Two plus adjective plus infinitive. Infinitive means it also means that something is more than enough. Okay, for example, hurry up.
Surji.
Anyone?
Plus वर्ग नमक किसी भी. Plus वर्ग नमक लिया.
Infinitive. 2 plus word. For example, anyone. It is no, don't it same meaning, understand the definition is about this. It is too hard to play. It is too hard to play cricket. It is too hard to play cricket. Understand? Next thing, Salam. It is too cool. It is too cool to swim. Understand? To swim in a pool, to swim in a river, understand, you can say, etc. Next example, showers. Badlapin.
It is too hot or too blue or cooler.
It is too difficult to buy iPhone. It is too difficult to buy iPhone. Next, promise. It is
too cool. It's like a piece of cake. Cream, कुटीरी मचा बोले कवास कट पूरी
It is too hard to bread. It is outstanding. Good job. It is too hard to pass and get there. It is too hard to go to America. Next up.
Bisa terima dong juga.
Next topic in class. Every and every order. Every order. Every and every order.
Every and every order.
Yes.
सजी डबल लेट खराब से गए
It is used to show successive continuation it is used to show successive continuation of something
used to show
in a day, in a week, in a day, week, and in a week, in a day, and in a month, and in a year. Understand?
जिला काम पे पैसा कोई है
Stop talking. It's after. It's after.
जी अब मोर बीमार हुआ
Why did you not in the class?
मोर बीमार हुआ सभी अस्पताल के लाके लगता
Was she in yesterday too? तो बीमार हुआ?
हाँ कर
Really?
अबल करू ना हुआ
Successive continuation of something in a day, week, month, and in a year. Yes, good.
वो सभी साइड टकरा
Continuation of something. For instance, I play cricket. For example, anyone? Hurry up.
every week
I go to school.
every day इतवार पर उसको सुना दे
I go to school every day. Every student
there were 3 सजीमा शुगर
every students are absent. Every students are intelligent. Are students here? The need. Next is don't even talk. Every order. Every order. For example, okay, every order it is used to show. This is also black marker card the figure answer 21 it is used to show unsuccessive unsuccessive continuation of something in a day, week, year, month, in a
सबान पूरी रहो
year.
कंबल राजू आई मचा सजीवा something.
For instance, every, for example, every, every other, every other year, every other year, I go to America. Every other year I go to, who is inside the class? Just who?
There is Pele or Zimna.
Throw it. I say throw it. So we learn. Good job. Stop time. Correct him. Well, I'm really sorry I didn't come to your wedding party. Okay, I'm really sorry about it. And I'm sick. You know better than me. Yes, of course. It's done. Hurry up. Stop typing. You only one line. 2 plus adjective. 2 plus adjective. 2 plus adjective. Whenever Sahil, stop writing. 2 plus adjective. Whenever we use to before adjective, so that thing will create problem for us. Okay, to is an adverb. According to grammar, to it is an adverb. Okay, anyone who can tell me about adverb? What is adverb?
It comes down from the adjective for the common.
Dia mendalam dari repetition lazan.
Can you stop talking? Everyone clear? Drawing में चाहिए बस हम खबर लेने का. Edward. What Edward? What Aisha.
Ji.
Stop talking. Where's Edward?
जी केवल adjective चे modify kai sir जी.
Edward, where is that? Simple class हमारे देखो adverb it is used to describe verb, adjective and another adverb. या describe या modify. It is used to describe दांत बयान है. इससे बयान है verb बयान है. उससे बयान है adjective बयान है और उससे adverb. For example, he is intelligent. Now Australia intelligent. This is intelligent Australia adjective. If I say he is very intelligent, so I use very for intelligent. Very मात्रा हमारे इस्तेमाल for intelligent. Very मात्रा अच्छा तो भी describe हुआ बयान हुआ intelligent. जितना भी word मात्रा adjective describe की word describe की और which describe किया another adverb describe की बयान की अगर हम बोलते हो ये वो adverb. For example, he is very intelligent. So this is very much intelligent the part इस्तेमाल कर दिया. So this is very so मुझे describe like intelligent. This is very much association of adverb. Let's come toward the topic. On topic. To means more than enough. To means more than enough. More than means a lot of abundance of. More than enough. से ज्यादा। The two का मतलब मैंने किया हद से ज्यादा। Okay, it is used to show that something is more than enough. Da tu çiğ namını şokluyor. Diyorsunuz da hadi zaten. Diyorsunuz ya da hadi zaten and creates on. And creates problem. अब अगर मुद्दे से क्या मसला देना चाहिए। से क्या मसला create किया। Diyorsunuz da tu मैंने तो किस तरह बात इस्तेमाल को diyorsunuz da hadi zaten अब मुद्दे से क्या मसला देना चाहिए। Okay, for example, the weather is too hot. This is shorter. If it is creates problem for you, because the why मुद्दे से क्या मसला देना चाहिए। In that case, we can say the weather is too hot. Other case we have the weather is too hot. Next example, it is too expensive. For instance, if I want to buy a car and he tell me that it cost $25,000. He tell me it is $25,000. I say it is too expensive. For instance, I cannot buy it. It creates problem for me. Even if I sell myself for it, then I can buy it. Because there's no possibility. Understand? Okay, it is too expensive. That's here. That is that grand. That's here. This is that grand. So it creates problem for us. We can show us the grand. So हद से ज़्यादा शुरू करना, हद न से शुरू ज़्यादा शुरू. So that is why we use to here. जैसे कि प्रति इस्तेमाल करें. Okay, I took this adjective. We can also use and here. The adjective number adjective we have इस्तेमाल करेंगे. How? Let us see. It is too hot to play cricket. मतलब है कि दोस्तों दिस ज़्यादा गर्म है क्रिकेट इसलिए आप नहीं हो जाए. It is too hot to play cricket. This activity we cannot perform in this way because of hotness. Do you understand? For instance, the weather is too much hotter, so we cannot perform this activity right now because we use to here. To इस्तेमाल करें. It is too hot to play cricket. Any problem? Next is that it is too cool to swim. Most of these are they physical issue lamba bagi issue. It is one of the thing. It is too cool. Most of these are they to swim. Most of these are they lamba bagi understand? Then there are positive sentences. Meaning we are negative. Do you understand? What should I? Any problems? Good. Okay, every year. Next topic comes on every year. Every year is used to show successive continuation of something in a day. This is just every successive continuation. Jari visya something. This is jari visya in a day or a year or week, month, in a year. For example, I go to school every day. The thing that every situation is a successive continuation of something here. The first thing here are every day. Understand? Next is for example, every students are intelligent. Hare students are intelligent. Every मतलब है हरे. Every से मतलब everyone. Everyone हरे. Okay, every other से मतलब हाँ? एक no. Every other मतलब है your breed that build. For example, it is used to show unsuccessful continuation of something. जब सिचिया जारी बनी unsuccessful continuation of something. For example, I play cricket every other day. मतलब that जियो रस्मी ना बजाओ मान के तो नन्मा क्रिकेट में लोग सवाल करते हैं वो बजाओ से understand? For example, I play cricket every other day. Every other day. I go to America every other year. I go to America every other year. I go to America every other year. Every other day. Outstanding. I can shout every other day. Outstanding. Super good job. Next one. Any problem? Make up the next. I play cricket every other day. Every other day.
I come to academy every other
Every other day, indeed. I come to the academy every other day.
No, every day.
Next term is be the unsuccessful continuation of something there. Good job. Next term, yes, you. I'm growing. Next term, again.
I am growing older.
Every other. Yes, good job. I try motorcycle every other day. Perfect.
जी मोटरसाइकिल में पंचर करेंगे I grow every other year.
I play hunting every other week.
Every other students are target inside the class. Your principal company, your principal company. The truth of the Yes, next term. Make one sentence. Every other.
We represent every other.
Every other day I do your stuff. Huh? Good job. I eat potato every other day. Superb. Good job.
We prepare maybe every other
We
week.
prepare, yes,
We budget
every other day. Okay, students, open your books. Open your books. Try to use these topics in your speaking. That's what speaking is, Tamara. Page number? Page number 75, class 75. Silent reading number 20 here. This is your homework. That's it, Shalom. That's your homework, Shalom. Silent reading, you will read the No, you have to read it at home. Stop typing. You can share your opinion. Now, can you share it? Open your book, page number 75. Page number 75. Page number 75.
Seven five.
Page number 75. Silent reading, this is your homework. Tomorrow I will ask about the question. The sentence is understand correct option. Good job. Let's move on. Let's move on. Page number 76. Writing number 21. Writing number 21. Okay. Yes, sir. Read the action.
What are you doing?
Jennifer. Pretend. And answer. This is just first you have to read this letter. Then the read me up.
I always try to help people, but this
Yes, sir. Good job. Yes. What does it mean? There is someone like this. I always try to help people, but this is. What does it mean? No, the prescription. Yes, Ubaidullah.
Wizaro Urasal Kusamaraku Budayo Limantu. Hakaje Major of the Agora.
Paganto, Paganto.
Manda Yokatra Yomana Festival. Zokuma Sabima, Mandara Nima. No, Yada Castoizu, Kumao, Toyas Carco, Ranger in Daga. Sharata English cover the roads and Parsika.
Good job.
Mazia
In this letter, a person wrote a letter to Jennifer. तो कैसे लेटर निकले क्या निकले यार Jennifer ने निकले यार पढ़ते हुए नीचे सर generous तमीमा खुदामा ने मानदार ने not rich तो मानदार ने ओवर और माखा लेते थे यार स्टॉप पे मलार की उधर से मास्टर मदद लुका तो इसे सब कमा खुदा dear not change police changes मजाक की मारा वाला जी ना इधर language तरह पर बेनिफिट किया but try to use that language अगर language का इस्तेमाल try to utilize that language अगर language का इस्तेमाल हुआ just tell them I don't know about English अभी तो आज बात English में रजिस्टर सब खबर understand let's move on unit number 6 who can the read about reading right now that was read before Tahir Saya Solan Tahir apa Are you angry? Furious? What is it, Jawad? What is it?
The furious fish away. Answer G.
Boss.
G. Abdullah or Kapur. Books, kitab.
Box dabba. Box dabba.
Or books.
Check up.
وعينا
Dentist Apollo doctor.
I can able to play cricket. For instance, I can play cricket. Be able to काबिल होना. For instance, the reason मतलब देखिए इसने हमारा. For instance, she is able to speak English. अगर वो सीधे ना English के लिए For instance, she can speak English instead of can. The can was the situation she is able to speak English. Let's move on. Unit number 7. Await problem. Okay, first you are having only 1 minute. Come on, read right now down strictly. If you are having any kind of doubt, if you are having any kind of issue, you can ask right now. Come on, hurry up, right now. Hurry up, read it right now. Bella, you have to press deliver the main idea right now. Okay, come on, hurry up. Yes, right now. Satya, you have to deliver the main idea right now. You are in pain? Oh, after the class you have to go to your doctor. You should go to the doctor. Of course, يقينا. You are in only 1 minute. Get willing. Get chapter 1 there. On cross one. Okay, listen. Maria, she is doing your presentation. She is going to never have an idea of the student right now. Go there. Just go there right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hurry up. Satya, be ready. Vedanta, are you ready? Hurry up. Take a start.
On how to manage this weight by following a healthy diet and a regular exercise routine, having a effective and healthy lifestyle.
That's enough. It wasn't nice. Good job. Play for her. It wasn't nice. Vedanta, come here. Satya, come here. Okay, tomorrow you have to deliver it. Yes, understand? Everybody has to deliver it tomorrow. Otherwise, let's move on. Page number 78. Okay, so we have 10. It is 10 to it is 10 to 7. Vocabulary reading number 1. Hurry up. Hurry up, vocabulary reading boy, Shabas. Come on, hurry up. Vocabulary reading number 1. Okay, Abdullah, interaction. Abdullah, speak loud. It is well,
Sir, what's the reading of the filling in the blanks?
Speak loud. It is like a
Yes, teacher's name.
huh?
Fill in the blanks.
This way, Shabas.
Fill in the blanks with these words and expression. Change the form of
if necessary,
and use each
item
only once.
only once. Listen, students. Okay, first you have to read these words. The words read Shabas. Guide. Allow our work. Okay, guide now. Parhez now. Guide now. Parhez now.
Follow.
पैर भी करना जब follow means पैर भी करना yes we have to follow the Prophet Muhammad rules in our life. Any different word? Go on means
Jana.
जारी रखना difficult word What you want? Okay, this conversation between Dr. Young and Susanna. Conversation in the Dr. Young and Susanna. Okay, चिकना बर्फ को ओरिजिनल में करना ना ओरिजिनल बराबर जिला नेक्स्ट में इस्तेमाल हुआ फॉर एग्जांपल डॉक्टर यंग बोलते हैं यार डैश आर यू सुसन सुना जी
Heavy.
how tall outstanding good job सब क्या जी how tall are you Susan Susan sir I am 1 meter 70 okay डॉक्टर यंग बोलते हैं how much do you weigh stop weight sana dia how much do you weigh the rest that is your homework that is the homework and it is just listen can I tell you how you can improve your syllable and improve quality only fresh news and presentation only fresh news and what presentation I swear book will never ever improve you the book doesn't improve you that's the structures for you I think you will not practice the rest there is nothing I think I swear there is nothing some topics the topics try to bring it in your speaking that's speaking I think ये खाली यो main idea important है main idea and next there is fresh news the rest that is useless that is also because understand if you want to improve your speaking just only focus on your presentation on your main idea on your fresh news understand researchers tell you can take your time from me how is that time that I was thinking sir I have prepared a topic that is about you can do it that is about confidence that is about a teacher that is about the prophet that is about the Pakistan circumstances current affairs that is about the prime minister that is about health that is about the money that is about the education that is about the co-education that is about Islam that is about what that is about why we are being insulted why Islam is going to be insulted Islam why the Muslims are being insulted why they are humiliated what is the Lord understand why they are facing a lot of trials and tribulations in their life मुसलमान की जिंदगी की वो मुश्किलात होता है जिंदगी के रास्ते you can prepare we are in abundance of topic if you try yes ma'am there is 7 okay Maria Zamil Ubaid Habibullah yes sir Dena Habibullah Dena Muhammad Jawad Sahil Salman Ahmad Ahmad Asar
Cuti war गई
Mansur stand up Mansur Samia okay Aisha Fatma Ayan Ubaidullah okay Abdullah
Yes, sir.
Abdurrahman stand up Muhammad Zaid Mustafa okay Usman Adnan Khan okay present
Usman Hussain Adnan
What was the reason why you were asking yesterday? Huh? Okay, fine. That's not the part. Okay, pay fine. Pay fine now. I said pay fine. Pay fine. Pay fine charge. Find them. Well, find them. Take a, you were absent for 2 days. 2 days. 50 rupees then all 50 then all. Pay fine. Pay fine. Mansoor, pay fine. Sabari, listen. Tomorrow if he change, well, Sabari piece on the class you play with understand? Pay fine. Pay fine. Pay right now. Just take a borrow from someone. Take a borrow from someone. Pay fine. You don't have change of monthly stuff. You don't have money of 50 rupees within Sakalwari 50 within. Where is that? Okay, any questions, sir? No, sir. Tomorrow you have to deliver a topic. Okay, by whom or by Google? Because then you can answer the topic, but I don't care. Huh?
Mana kharij school da language na
Pronunciation clear? No, pronunciation.
متوجه